For this next step in how to play Starbased, I'm going to show you how to do mining. As you've been hopefully going through this, you'll start seeing that there's a lot of repetitive parts of these things. So like docking, adding things in. So again, we're just going to look real quick, and we see that we're already undocked and idle at the Mud Central Space Station. We have some fuel in our tank, we have some ammo, and we have some food. The food and the ammo are required to do mining. The next question is, well, where can I mine? Well, if you actually look at different things, in this case, let's click on Mud 3. We'll see different details come up, and we'll actually click on the details button here. And this actually tells us that this resource has carbon. So if we wanted to, we could go and move out there and then mine carbon at that space station. We go up here to Mud 2 and do that same thing on details. We'll see that this one has iron ore. So again, we can move up there and do that. If we look at the Mud Central Space Station and do details, we'll actually see that hydrogen's here. So for this part of the demo, I'm just going to show you how you can mine at the Central Space Station for hydrogen. But if you wanted one of the other resources, you'd have to move to that location first. So you can go and refer to the movement video to learn how to move around the thing. But one thing to be cautious if you're doing mining, again, make sure you have enough fuel to come back and forth when you do your mining. But anyways, we're just going to stay here and do mining. So again, since we're already undocked and right outside the Mud Central Space Station, we can actually go ahead and start mining. So we'll activate and select the fleet, and then we'll go across looking for the start mining command. So again, we'll click start mining. A whole bunch of information comes up here. Again, read through it at your leisure because it's all going to be different depending on what starbase you're at. But again, all you have to do is click initiate mining. Again, it'll actually take 13 ammo to fully fill up, and it'll take 12 food to full up. And then this is again based on the cargo that's inside your fleet in this case. And cargo hold status is actually up here. And again, we have some food in there, so it's going to consume the food while we're doing our mining. So let's just go ahead and initiate mining so we can kind of see that happen as we go. And we'll go ahead and confirm that. Okay, it started mining. Close that. And we see the little spinner here. Amount mined, we're seeing this slowly go up from 2, 3, now it's 5. The available cargo space is listed up here. So basically, it's kind of a counterbalance. It'll use up some food, which will increase your ability or capacity in your cargo. And at some point, either you'll run out of ammo, so you can't mine anymore, or you'll run out of food, or you'll fill up your cargo space. So a lot of kind of logistics to manage here. In this case, just because it's a video, I'm going to go ahead and actually stop it early. If you don't monitor it, once one of those fills up, it'll just sit there in a done state, and you can actually come in. So we scroll down here, we see our stop mining button, so I'll go ahead and click on that. Okay, we'll go ahead and select it. Again, it costs a little SOL, a little network fee there. Okay, and we'll close this window, and we'll see kind of in our little interface here, our food probably reduced. Yeah, it was 150, so it went down, and our hydrogen went by 28. So that's basically how you mine within Starbased.